how to make your cover photo private on Facebook. Hey everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to make your cover photo private on Facebook. So all you need to do is first of all open the Facebook app. Make sure to update the application as well. So the next thing what you want to do is here, click the initials from the top right hand side corner and then go to your profile sections. So when you go to profile, I'm just going to quickly add a photo. So let's say this is the one. So click on choose a cover photo, or else you could just go ahead and add it from your gallery as well. So now then what you could do is, let's say I'm going to go with this for now. And as you can see at the bottom, there is this section where it says share your update to newsfeed. So just make sure to unmark this and click on the save button. Now that you've successfully added a cover photo, what you need to do is click on the cover photo once again, or just click on see cover photo, right? Then click on the three dot icon at the top and go to edit captions, or just click on the button in order to edit. So when you click on the edit button, you could find these button where you could see unhide, or you could just swipe down or scroll down and click on manage post. So when you go to manage post, you could find the photos that you've uploaded and click on see more once again. Then there you could find the section where you could go ahead and edit and make it, or maybe turn the privacy on and just switch to only me. So that is how you could make your cover photo private on Facebook. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.